It's a classic mixture situation, water to milk, 3 to 7, we want that ratio. It doesn't matter what the actual amounts would be unless they tell us the ratio of one to the other. It could be any proportion of that, 6 to 14, whatever. Okay, so number 1 says water and milk in the ratio 1 to 9. Solution 1 and solution 2. Water and milk in the ratio 2 to 3. Okay, so like in our lessons, we talked about this kind of number line method. What you do is you always pick one of the substances and do your number line method with this. I mean, basically, you do water or milk. Basically, what this one wants is like the water to be 3/10 of the total and the milk to be 7/10 of the total, because it's 7 to 3 parts. That's another way of looking at it. So the first one tells us this is 1/10 water. You just choose water. And this one is 2/5 water, or in other words, 4/10 water. Okay, and we want it to be from the stem 3/10 water. So this tells us this has to be 1/10. There's a 2/10 away, and this has to be 1/10 away. So that's a 2 to 1. Flip it 1 to 2. That's the ratio we need to mix it in. So that's sufficient. Number 2 says the amount of milk in 100 gallons of solution 1 is 80 gallons more than that of water in the same solution. So if we have 100 gallons, I mean, you could do like x plus 80 equals 100, or you just see that, there's going to be 10 gallons of milk, 90 gallons of water. So it's the other way around. 90 gallons of milk and 10 of water. And then, that gives you the 100 gallons. And then the second one is 10 more gallons of milk than water. So then that's got to be 10 and 40 for the water and milk. And like with number 1, it's kind of telling you what fraction of the total each one is. I mean, this one is like 9/10 water, and this one is 1/5 water. Same kind of deal. So you could do this like number line again and get it. That's sufficient.